the future of compact luxury homes, modern design trends, smart living, and space optimization. In today's fast-changing urban world, where space often comes at a premium, the definition of luxury is shifting. Once we associated luxury with vast square footage, sprawling estates, or grandiose mansions. Now, in the heart of modern cities, true luxury emerges not from scale, but from refinement, from the thoughtful orchestration of every detail. This philosophy, known as the art of space, reshapes our perception of what it means to live beautifully in compact environments. Every centimeter counts. That is the golden rule of compact luxury design. When living in an urban apartment or a small villa, there is no room for waste. Architects and interior designers approach these spaces like sculptors working with a precious block of stone, carving, shaping, and refining every angle to ensure it serves multiple purposes. The result is a home that feels both efficient and indulgent, where function and form exist in perfect harmony. Consider how walls become more than boundaries. Sliding panels transform a single room into several distinct living zones, offering privacy when needed and openness when desired. Furniture, too, evolves beyond its traditional role. A dining table folds elegantly into the wall, a sofa hides a workstation, and a bed contains integrated drawers. These are not gimmicks, but sophisticated solutions that redefine what compact living can achieve. Luxury here is found not in excess, but in ingenuity. Natural light plays a starring role. In small homes, it becomes the most powerful design element. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels open interiors to courtyards, balconies, or sweeping cityscapes, blurring the line between indoors and outdoors. Skylights pull sunshine deep into the core of the home, erasing shadows and lifting moods. Designers amplify this brilliance with reflective surfaces, light-colored walls, and minimalist window treatments. Even the tiniest apartment can suddenly feel expansive, bathed in a soft, glowing atmosphere. Materials are the tactile expression of luxury. Stone, wood, and glass bring richness that transcends size. Imagine a compact kitchen where marble countertops lend a sense of indulgence, or a small living room defined by a dramatic stone feature wall. The continuity of high-quality finishes throughout the home creates unity, allowing spaces to flow seamlessly into one another. When done well, a modest footprint feels not limited, but elevated, as though each surface tells a story of craftsmanship and intention. Furniture in compact luxury living becomes architecture itself. It is never an afterthought, but an integrated component of the design. A sofa may conceal a fold-out bed for guests. A dining table might double as a study desk. Even a staircase could hide storage within its steps. This is beauty paired with purpose, where every object must justify its place by contributing to both function and style. Kitchens in these homes embody efficiency fused with elegance. Tall cabinetry maximizes vertical potential, integrated appliances preserve clean lines, and under-cabinet lighting creates both ambiance and practicality. Often the kitchen and dining space coexist in one area, yet subtle changes in lighting or flooring materials distinguish them. It is a choreography of design, where spaces overlap gracefully without ever losing their individuality. Bedrooms in compact luxury homes are designed as havens of serenity. Soft neutral palettes, layered textures, and precise storage solutions transform them into retreats of calm. Here, simplicity is indulgence. A carefully positioned glass wall might open onto a private balcony, extending the sense of space while connecting the room to nature. It is in these quiet corners that compact luxury reveals its truest form: intimacy without confinement. Bathrooms, despite their size, are reimagined as personal spas. Floating vanities lighten the visual load, frameless glass showers expand perception, and warm ambient lighting creates tranquility. Stone surfaces and wooden accents infuse natural warmth, making even a small bathroom feel refined and restorative. Sustainability aligns naturally with compact luxury. Smaller homes require fewer resources to heat, cool, and maintain, and designers reinforce this efficiency with eco-friendly materials, energy-saving fixtures, and smart home technology. A Compact residence becomes a model not just of stylish living, but also of responsible living, where indulgence and environmental consciousness coexist. Ultimately, the art of space is not about downsizing, it is about right-sizing. It frees us from clutter, from waste, from the unnecessary. It demonstrates that true luxury lies not in how much we have, but in how well we use what we have. These homes embody openness, clarity, and inspiration, regardless of size. As we envision the future of urban living, this philosophy will become more relevant than ever. Cities will continue to grow denser, and space will remain precious. Yet through thoughtful planning, innovative solutions, and refined aesthetics, compact homes will stand as testaments to the fact that luxury is not measured in meters, but in moments, not in scale, but in experience. This is the promise of compact modern design, to create sanctuaries where size fades into irrelevance and the art of living beautifully takes its place. When we explore the second layer of the art of space, we move beyond the foundation of functionality and begin to uncover the artistry that defines compact luxury living. It is not only about using every square centimeter efficiently, but also about crafting an atmosphere that resonates with elegance, calm, and timeless style. Compact homes are no longer perceived as transitional spaces or compromises. They are destinations of comfort and sophistication, reflections of a new lifestyle philosophy where intimacy and design merge seamlessly. A central principle in this stage of design is fluidity. Compact homes thrive when boundaries between spaces are softened, allowing rooms to adapt and respond to the rhythm of life. Picture an open-plan apartment where the kitchen, dining, and living areas exist as a single flowing environment. Instead of walls, designers use subtle cues, changes in flooring material, a shift in ceiling height, or a dramatic pendant light to signal transitions between zones. The effect is one of openness, continuity, and harmony. This fluid approach ensures that while spaces are small, they never feel fragmented or constrained. Another crucial aspect is layering of texture and tone. Since compact spaces often avoid excessive ornamentation, luxury is expressed through tactile richness. A smooth marble countertop contrasts with the warmth of natural oak cabinetry. A woven textile adds softness against the sleek surface of glass. Brass or brushed steel accents provide a glimmer of sophistication without overwhelming the senses. Designers curate these contrasts carefully, ensuring that each material supports the overall narrative of refinement. In such spaces, even the smallest detail, a handle, a seam, a stitch, carries weight, contributing to the atmosphere of quality. Technology has also become an invisible partner in compact luxury living. Smart home systems are integrated subtly, enhancing convenience without intruding on aesthetics. Lighting can shift automatically throughout the day, from bright, energizing tones in the morning to soft, warm glows in the evening. Climate control adapts silently, maintaining comfort without bulky equipment. Security, entertainment, and even kitchen appliances operate with sleek discretion, ensuring that modern convenience supports, rather than competes with, design purity. This seamless integration of technology exemplifies a future where homes respond intelligently to their inhabitants while maintaining visual serenity. Storage, often the greatest challenge in small homes, becomes an opportunity for design ingenuity. In compact luxury, storage solutions are not hidden afterthoughts. They are celebrated as part of the design language. A staircase doubles as a series of drawers. A wall of cabinetry appears seamless, like an art installation, concealing everything from clothing to appliances. Beds are elevated to reveal compartments beneath, and even ceilings can host discrete storage systems. The goal is always the same: to maximize function without compromising the aesthetic experience. Luxury here is the ability to live clutter-free, surrounded only by what matters most. Lighting, beyond its role in creating spaciousness, becomes a sculptural element. Compact luxury homes often employ layered lighting strategies, a blend of ambient, task, and accent lighting that creates depth and drama. A recessed ceiling light washes a wall with soft glow, highlighting the texture of stone. Pendant lights define a dining nook, making it feel intimate despite its proximity to the kitchen. Floor lamps and wall sconces add rhythm, breaking monotony and guiding the eye across the room. This orchestration of light transforms spaces from mere containers of function into stages for daily life, elevating the ordinary into the extraordinary. The kitchen, often the heart of the home, demonstrates how luxury transcends size. Here, design principles embrace the vertical dimension, with cabinetry soaring toward the ceiling and slim open shelving providing both display and function. Integrated appliances maintain sleek lines, while concealed mechanisms ensure technology never disrupts the minimalist aesthetic. Even in the smallest galley kitchens, stone counters, designer faucets, and tailored lighting communicate indulgence. The result is not just a place to prepare meals, but an expression of lifestyle, efficiency, and elegance woven together. Bedrooms too evolve in this phase. They are no longer simply retreats for rest, but sanctuaries for balance and renewal. Designers lean into neutral palettes, shades of ivory, sand, soft gray, and muted green that quiet the senses and evoke calm. Fabrics such as linen, wool, and cashmere layer softness, while built-in wardrobes provide discreet organization. By minimizing visual noise, these bedrooms foster psychological spaciousness, making them feel larger than their dimensions suggest. The true luxury here is peace of mind, the ability to step away from the demands of the city and into a cocoon of comfort. Bathrooms crystallize the essence of compact luxury. They often embody a spa-like atmosphere through restrained yet rich materials. Frameless mirrors expand the perception of depth, while floating vanities create openness beneath. Rain showers or soaking tubs, though scaled to fit, are designed with indulgence in mind, offering moments of retreat in the midst of busy lives. Lighting, once again, plays a transformative role, with dimmable fixtures providing flexibility between energizing mornings and calming evenings. The artistry here lies in proving that even the smallest room can host experiences of indulgence and tranquility. Another layer shaping compact luxury is sustainability as an aesthetic choice. Eco-friendly materials such as reclaimed wood, recycled stone, or bamboo are no longer chosen merely for ethics, but for their inherent beauty. Energy-efficient lighting systems are integrated into design concepts, creating both environmental and atmospheric benefits. Water-saving fixtures adopt sculptural forms, turning necessity into elegance. The ethos of sustainability merges naturally with the compact lifestyle, reinforcing the idea that luxury is not about waste, but about conscious, intelligent living. In the broader context, compact luxury living also reflects cultural shifts. As people embrace minimalism, mindful consumption, and urban lifestyles, they begin to see the beauty in living with less, but living with better. Compact luxury embodies this philosophy, offering curated experiences in spaces that prioritize quality over quantity. It reflects a future where homes are not measured by how much they contain, but by how they make us feel. Through this lens, compact luxury design is not just an architectural trend, it is a movement. It redefines aspiration, encouraging us to seek fulfillment in intentional spaces, in homes that are finely tuned to our needs and desires. Whether through clever storage, harmonious materials, or the interplay of light and space, compact luxury whispers a new definition of indulgence, one that values thoughtfulness above scale, refinement above opulence, and meaning above excess. As we step into the final dimension of the art of space, we begin to envision the future of compact luxury homes, not just as responses to the constraints of modern urban life, but as leaders in shaping the next generation of design trends. The compact home is no longer a secondary option or a compromise. It is becoming the very definition of intelligent living. Here, design evolves into philosophy, and every square meter tells a story of intentionality, comfort, and vision for the decades ahead. The first forward-looking principle is adaptability. Tomorrow's compact luxury homes will not remain static. They will transform throughout the day, responding to the changing needs of their inhabitants. Imagine a living room where walls shift silently to reveal a guest bedroom at night, or a workspace that folds seamlessly into a panel when the workday ends. With advances in engineering and design, multifunctionality will become more seamless, less mechanical, and more intuitive. The future of compact living lies in homes that adapt to us, not the other way around. Another defining trend is the fusion of technology and nature. We're entering an era where homes will integrate smart systems while maintaining a deep connection with the natural world. Compact luxury design embraces large openings to terraces, balconies, and gardens, even in dense urban contexts. Vertical gardens, green walls, and indoor planting systems will transform interiors into living ecosystems. Alongside this, technology will ensure that energy use is optimized, climate is controlled sustainably, and resources are preserved. The luxury of the future is not only about indulgence, but about harmony between humans, homes, and nature. Minimalism with character will also emerge as a core aesthetic. The stripped-down, clutter-free look of compact luxury will remain, but with more warmth and individuality woven into it. Designers are beginning to explore personalization at a deeper level, tailoring compact homes to reflect the stories, tastes, and lifestyles of their owners. For example, a small living room might be defined by a singular sculptural piece of furniture or a curated art installation that reflects the resident's identity. Luxury in the future will be more personal, more meaningful, less about uniform trends, more about timeless individuality. Lighting will take on an even greater role, evolving into dynamic atmospheres. No longer will lighting be fixed, it will adapt not only to the time of day, but to mood, activity, and even emotional state. Compact homes will become responsive environments, capable of shifting from energizing brightness to calming softness with subtle transitions. Imagine a kitchen bathed in cool morning light that slowly warms to golden tones by evening, or a bedroom ceiling that mimics the stars at night, enhancing rest and relaxation. This fluidity of light will make compact homes feel alive, constantly evolving experiences rather than static spaces. Materials, too, are moving into an era of innovation and sustainability. Beyond stone, wood, and glass, we will see the rise of intelligent materials, self-healing surfaces, energy-generating windows, and antibacterial finishes. These innovations will expand what compact luxury can achieve, marrying functionality with beauty at the highest level. The tactile richness of natural finishes will remain, but they will be complemented by cutting-edge materials that elevate both performance and experience. Luxury will be redefined as living in spaces that are not only elegant, but also intelligent, safe, and resilient. The kitchen, as the social heart of compact homes, will continue to evolve into multifunctional hubs. Future kitchens will not just be about cooking, but about connection. Places where dining, work, and gathering merge. Compact designs will integrate movable islands, concealed appliances, and flexible seating arrangements that adapt instantly. Technology will ensure that cooking remains efficient, sustainable, and enjoyable. The kitchen of tomorrow's compact luxury home will be a space of energy and togetherness, no matter how modest its scale. Bedrooms will embrace the philosophy of well-being and restoration. Beyond neutral palettes and soft textures, they will incorporate biophilic design elements, natural ventilation, circadian lighting, and soundproofing technologies. These compact sanctuaries will evolve into holistic wellness zones, supporting better sleep, relaxation, and recovery. In cities that rarely sleep, these small havens will become the greatest luxury, quiet, restorative oases where the mind and body can recharge. Bathrooms will further the idea of personal spa retreats. Compact in footprint, but rich in experience, future bathrooms will feature water-efficient yet indulgent fixtures, aromatherapy integration, and touchless technologies that enhance both hygiene and comfort. Natural textures will meet advanced surfaces, creating a harmony between timeless elegance and modern innovation. The bathroom will no longer be just functional. It will become an experiential space, elevating everyday routines into rituals of self-care. One of the most profound aspects of the future of compact luxury is its ability to reflect values of conscious living. Sustainability is not just a design option anymore. It is the very core of what makes a home luxurious. The next generation of compact homes will use renewable energy, harvest rainwater, recycle gray water, and employ passive design principles that reduce environmental impact. By aligning luxury with responsibility, compact design sets a new standard where indulgence is defined by balance with ourselves, with each other, and with the planet. Finally, the cultural meaning of compact luxury homes is shifting toward community and connection. As urban spaces become denser, The design of compact homes will increasingly integrate shared facilities, co-living gardens, rooftop lounges, fitness areas, and creative studios. These collective spaces extend the private realm of the compact home, creating a broader sense of luxury through access, experience, and shared belonging. In this way, the compact home becomes not an isolated unit, but part of a greater architectural ecosystem. In the end, the story of the art of space is the story of modern life itself. It teaches us that luxury is not bound by square footage, but by how a space makes us feel, how it supports us, uplifts us, and inspires us. The compact luxury home of today and tomorrow is not about having less, but about living more fully, more consciously, and more beautifully. It is about crafting sanctuaries where scale is secondary, but experience is paramount. The future is not about building bigger. It is about building smarter, designing better, and living with greater intention. This is the evolution of luxury, from size to substance, from excess to essence, from opulence to meaning. And in this shift, compact homes take center stage as icons of elegance, intelligence, and timeless design.